Hi, this is Debbie Tonkovich, and I'm excited to share with you that we've been working really hard putting training classes together. Things that will help you if you're in TVC, with MCA, you might be in a different sales company, you might be thinking of starting your own business, or just making extra income. So we've written the classes so that they'll affect everybody. You need to know that I have raised 3 children on commission sales alone for the last 20 years. And that's the only way to go. That's the only way to be in control of your finances. So we want you to check out our new training site. It's salesacademytexas.com, or you can go to mca.debbietonkovich.com, or call us at 817-219-1029, and we'll send you an application. Now the training, we only have limited resources. We're going to do online classes as well, but you have to register. So how you start is send us an email, call us, get in contact us through the website, and we'll send you an application, because we want to make sure that we have the right candidates for the class, because it's a limited space. Thank you, everyone, and we're waiting to hear from you. Bye.